computer.
Yeah, I think that it working recording, right?
Okay, sure. Okay. So basically, just give you an overview of this platform, how's the front end works and how's the back end work, right? The front end here, you can actually access via your mobile phone. You can key in through this website on your phone, then you are able to access it, right? So let's say front end. So I don't understand Vietnamese. Maybe I can like use English, right? So later on you can try to use So basically I give you an overview of this platform, right? This platform is basically it powers the conversations, and all the trainings is happens within this platform, right? How you want to train the bot is everything's within this platform, right? So the first part we are going to talk about is the analytics of this platform. The analytics basically providing a overview of this how the bot is doing. So it shows the performance of the bot. So the first unique users here, it shows how many people are accessing the bot or talking to the bot. Just like if you have a new users, then it will count 2, right? Right. So the total message pair basically is telling you how many. I ask a question and the bot respond, we consider as 1 pair. So this is message pair. The conversation means I start the conversation now, later on I stop the conversations, then it consider as the 1 conversation. This is what it means, right? So you can see that in average, right, how many message talking between, under 1 conversation. So it means a conversation, it could have multiple messages. Then you can see how many things that people ask per user under one conversation. This one is like the higher the number it is better, because you can see that people are interested in talking to the bot. Right? And the conversation duration means how long the person actually talked to the bot. I give you an example. If the bot is showing 5 minutes and 50 minutes, which one do you think is the best?
Pardon? Can you repeat again?
If let's say the average conversation durations, one is 5 minutes, another one is, let's say, 10 minutes. Which one do you think that is the good result?
I think for 5 minutes more longer duration, and then I think that will be better.
I think okay, I'll give you an example. Is that I give you an overview of this average conversation durations. Average conversation duration means the period in minutes the people actually talk to the bot. It means if let's say I have a 20 minutes average conversation duration here, it means everyone that talk about they use 20 minutes to talk to the bot to get the information they need. So it means the bot is able to respond to them in the right answer or correct answer.
Wrong answer more, yeah.
I mean, if let's say the bot giving you wrong answer, it means the conversation will be shorter because people don't want to talk to the bot to get the answer. Correct?
I see.
Yeah.
Correct.
So when we say that the longer is better under these conversations, average conversation duration. And our average in the market now is about 20 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you mean that for the short answer, I mean the short conversation is better than the long conversation, right?
Long conversation is better than a short conversation.
You mean that the customer keep talking with us, right? Yeah.
Yes, keep talking to the bot. So it means the bot can answer the question actually they ask.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah. so these are the few key things actually quite important. Is this is the one, right? Okay. So when it comes to accuracy, right, it means how accurate the customers can get the answer. If here is 100% means every time I go and talk to the bot, I can get all the answer that I want.
I see.
Right. So if let's say this is about 30%, if here is 30%, it means the bot has a training problem. So we have to improve from a bot point of view. When the training is bad, meaning the bot cannot respond or the success rate will be low.
I see.
So it means exact matches means I ask one time, it gives me one answer. But multiple matches means I ask one question, it gives me two answers. Yeah, that is possible because the bot, if let's say you ask, what is my plan? Let's say I ask, I give you an example. Right?
Okay.
What is my plan? Yeah, so this is considered as one exact matches, so that it shows you the information about the plan, right? Show me the black plan. Yeah, so they see they're interested in a black plan. See, my friend, would you like to know a plan for normal SIM or eSIM? Then you can select, right? Yeah. So this one means multiple matches. Yeah. Okay. So in this part, accuracy means it shows the performance of the bot. It tells you whether that is something that the bot you never train the bot. If let's say something that is missing from a bot, the bot cannot answer, that it shows here missing intent or missing entity. Yeah. So you better write down on the paper, so that you won't forget. And then I mean whenever you don't remember, you can always come and ask me. But then for your note taking, you can write it down on the paper.
Yeah, I write it down. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, good. Then when it comes to channels, because our bot can integrate to WhatsApp, Facebook Messengers, WeChat, and mobile application. So if let's say all the conversation that started from Facebook, from WhatsApp, it will show here how many percent. Whether it is from the web or whether it's from the mobile.
100%, huh?
Yeah, so because I access this from a website, so that it shows 100%. If you use it on mobile, then it will show on mobile.
Oh, I see.
Just let me try. See whether I can get a mobile traffic or not.
I will try on the mobile. We
Yeah.
need to install the app, right? Yeah.
Yeah. You don't need to try it on the web, I think. Let me check. Okay. So we just need to differentiate whether it's coming from mobile or web or something like that. Yeah. So this one is very useful when you know where your customer comes from. If you see that all your customers contact the bot from the Facebook messengers, right? Then you can do more marketing events on the Facebook, so that your customers actually will see. I mean, the end customer will see. Let's say you go and talk to the Vietnam International Bank, right? Right. So if they see that all their customers is like coming from Facebook messengers, then they probably can do more marketing events on Facebook, because all their customers are on Facebook, not on other platform. Yeah. So these are the information.
My question is, if the client they use the messenger Facebook on the mobile, so how they calculate on the web or on the app?
No, they can use web or app, both.
Yeah, but but for the analytics, so they calculate on the web or on the mobile?
they categorize under Facebook messengers, under Facebook.
Facebook Messenger. Okay.
Yeah, they show here under Facebook messengers.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, not web or mobile. It's Facebook. Yeah. Yeah. Then this part basically is like the top questions the customer asks.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So if let's say customer asks about the black plan more, so you know that customer likes about the black plan. So then the customers can do a lot more of these marketing activities on black plan.
I see.
Yeah, because we can track how many questions. Yeah.
Yeah.
That you can see here. Yeah.
So
then you.
The more, I mean that the more people they type in, the more information we have, and then we can do the marketing plan, right?
Yeah, we can base on the information we have and do the marketing. If let's say they see that okay, the channel mostly from Facebook, right? Facebook messengers, then the topic they talk about is the black plan. Then they can promote more about the plan on Facebook messengers to get more sales.
I see.
Yeah. So this one will actually solve the problems when the customers can avoid the customers call to the customer service.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then you can see the categorizations of this, whether there's a promotion, there's what black, something like that. Yeah, you see, you can do a filtering here. Yeah. Then our bot also can escalate to live agent.
Okay.
You know why what live agent is? Live agent. Okay, live agent. Let me show you.
Okay.
Then there's live agent.
Live agent.
Yeah.
I mean that's there a person on the web can answer, right?
Yes, correct. Just like when you talk to the person through chat, right? But then it is like human talking to it. Right. We also can integrate the live chat or live agent to the bot. So after, let's say, after 3 times the bot not able to answer, then we can pass the conversations to the live agent.
Okay. Yeah.
So live agent basically can live agent can handle the customer problem.
Okay.
So when the bot is not able to solve the problem, live agent, we can escalate or pass the conversations to the live agent. Then live agent will do the will talk to the customers directly. Yeah.
Okay. I see.
Okay. So when it comes to curiosity logs, this is when the bot cannot answer the questions, right? When the bot cannot answer the questions, it will all comes here. You see that when the bot giving you a multiple answers, right? Then maybe you can say that the training is not accurate, right? So how you want to make sure that it is accurate? If you see the report is displaying some information like this. I want to know a black plan, right? So then you have to validate which one is correct. If let's say this question is not appearing on the trainings, right? It means the bot not able to answer. Then you can actually copy these questions and then add to one of the case here. Let's say here, yeah, here, so that you can put the questions here. As simple as that. So if this one is like a training, then you can save. After saving, then you can publish it. So then next time when customer asks the same questions, the bot can answer.
So it save a lot of questions from the client, and then they will prepare more the answer. Yeah. Okay.
So it means let's say if I ask a question here, give you an example. I want to upload my documents, right? So you see that the bot is not able to answer, right? Okay, then we come and see here. Yeah, I see. I want to upload my documents. It means the bot is not able to answer. Okay, the bot is not able to answer. You know that this report will tell you that the bot is not able to answer. Then maybe you think that this question is relevant, right? So you copy this question, then you come to the relevant knowledge base, right? Then you add them here. You add them here. So the next time when customer asks the same question again, you don't need to, the bot will be able to answer.
I see.
Yeah.
So then, by on this question, and then you prepare the answer for next time, right?
Yeah, you need to prepare answer. If let's say this is not relevant to any of the case, then you have to create a new training.
Okay. Understand.
Yeah, you have to create a new training. Creating a new training, you can do it here. Yeah. So creating a training, I will explain to you later on when your customer is asking. So because I don't want to confuse you, so I give you a basic training first. Yeah. So this is all about curiosity logs. So you can track all the questions that the bot cannot answer. Then you can do a training. You can create a new training, or you can add into the existing training.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So let me show you the knowledge base, right? The knowledge base basically is the place where you train your bot. Right? Just like example, I give you show you. How do I view my account status? So I just need to type here. Right? So the bot basically will give you a response. So you can see how it works here. So I ask the questions. So the questions will be coming into here, right? So this is how we configure. See, oh, checking your account status is easy one. Here's how. So exactly the same, you see, right? This is how you configure your training. Then you can display into cards. So we use card. This one we call it as card.
I see.
Right? You see via easy menu, via SMS. You can have a look via easy menu and via SMS.
Okay. Yeah.
Very good. So this is how we configure. This is how we train the bot. So it is very straightforward, right? So you just when you have a new questions, you create a new one, then you should be able to train. You should be able to train the bot easily.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
I know. Work. Yeah.
Okay, if you want to train in Vietnamese, right? So this is English, right? If you want to train in Vietnamese, you just click here, then you come to Vietnamese, then you can put all the Vietnamese trainings here.
Okay.
Yeah. So I give you an example of where I train the Vietnamese. Okay. See how I train the Vietnamese? This one I use Google Translate. Okay, I use Google Translate. Then this is how I'm not sure correct or not. Is it correct?
Yeah. Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. I use Google Translate to do it. Okay. Then I just need to like, okay, this is a question that I will ask. Okay, let me ask a sample question. Right. Let's say if I type Vietnamese, but just now I select the language in English, so it will display in English. If I select in Vietnamese, then it will display in Vietnamese.
I see.
Just let me show you, see whether I can. See whether I can select the language again. Maybe I need to clear the cache. Just hold on. Let me show you the Vietnamese thing. But you try, right, the Vietnamese? Okay, let me show you. Okay. So let's say if I say I select Vietnamese, okay, let's say I type this thing. Yeah, so that it will come in Vietnamese. You see, just now I selected English. I even key in a Vietnamese, but it will display in English. Yeah. So that, you see, is it correct? Everything? The translation?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is good. Yeah. So that you see, you can actually add this thing in. Yeah. Then you can configure the template. I will teach you how to do it in when you want to demo to your customers. Or I can help you do a demo also, but one thing is that I don't know how to speak Vietnamese. That's why I will be having a problems in explaining.
Don't worry, if you need, I will help. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah. So sitting beside me, the Mr. Trung, he the pre-sale, and also Miss Huệ is the sales and marketing. Yeah. So they are also listening to you. Yeah.
Okay. So that you just need to configure the next step. So it's like step by step, you know. It's like how you link the steps here. So everything is here. See? Yeah. So it's just so easy.
Yeah, I think very easy to use and configure. Yeah.
Yeah. So you just need to understand how it works. Then you should be able to explain to the client. Yeah.
So
okay, one of the best thing that this one is only like in English. One of the best thing about this platform, it understands. Let's say, I give you an example. It understand when people talks, right? People use a different way of talking. Give an example okay, give an example. When you say okay, there are many ways actually to say okay. Am I right?
I see.
But then your training, you just need to train okay. If let's say I say okay, then it will actually understand it as okay. So your training, in the training, you don't need to mention about, you don't need to train for okay, for okays, for okay. So you just need to train okay. So this is the portion that actually configure that. So it makes sure that your training is easy, right? Just like when you want to say hello, but then there are so many ways to say hello, you just need to configure here. This hello, this hey, this hi, this hey, this hi is all similar meaning to hello. So in your training, you just need to train hello. That's all. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I
so
think
this
that's
is
similar to Vietnamese. Yeah, because sometimes Vietnamese they have the mark or without mark, so the system can understand. Yeah.
Correct. So you can configure the mark without the mark or with the mark. Then you can treat it as a similar thing, right? So this is one of the benefits of why the bot can understand the language so well, right? So another thing is that, okay, I show you one thing. Hold on. Let's say I talk to the bot. Let's say I talk to the bot, good night. But I don't know, I think I have to change the language. Yeah. When I say good night, it says chat later. So if you see here how I configure, just hold on. good night. Yeah, you see that? So it will automatically respond you when you say good night. Then it will say either chat later or talk soon or sleep tight or something like that. Let's give you an example. Yeah, give you an example like
just like Siri in the Apple. Yeah, Siri.
Correct.
I talk with the Siri a lot.
Yeah. So it is actually a similar thing, right? So if you say thank you, then it will say my pleasure, or I'm here to serve you. So you see, so many selections here. Why is selected this thing? Because it is based on the sentiments, based on how many times the person says.
Okay.
Yeah. If let's say the person is very angry, let's say, just show you the example of okay, you are an idiot. Okay. Idiot means you are stupid, right? It means you're stupid. Okay. You see here, it will reply you, I'm trying very hard. So the more you say the same thing, then it will reply you differently. You see, I'm not intending to be, I'm sorry, because it can detect the person is really angry. because you are saying 3 times, and the logic is when you are saying 3 times, it means the person is angry, so it will respond differently based on what you have configured here.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
How about the other, like I see there are a lot of other category like clarify, context, identify, intent, directing. I mean, different meaning, right?
Yeah, different meaning. So you can like actually this one why we do that, right? We just want to give an automatic response. When people say, let's say I say hello, because normally when you see someone, right, you say hi Lam, then you say, hey, how are you? So you can do the same thing. You can do the same thing on the bot as well. Yeah. So if you say hello, then the bot will tell you, hey, hi there, how can I help you? So it's like automatic response. Yeah. Okay, this is small talk is a second benefits or advantage that actually we have, and whereas you cannot see on other bots, because other bots they don't allow you to configure this. Okay, nuances basically is it handles shortcuts, short forms, or incorrect typos or typos means you type wrongly.
I see.
Okay, nuances is to handle the short form or the type wrongly. Okay, you can see that even this is a typo, but then it will translate it to this one. So it will understand. Okay, give you it is not there. Yeah. So you see that it will basically like understand that this means this one.
Okay.
So you understand what I mean, right?
Yeah. How about narrative?
Okay, narrative basically is the system default message.
System.
Okay. Yeah. If let's say system detects some unknown errors, right, then it will prompt the message, right? But you can add a few more. If let's say you found some, I mean, if let's say some others, because this engine, right, this engine is basically it has a lot of possibilities on different responses. So we wouldn't know that what are the things that the AI will reply. So if let's say you found the client found something new, then they can configure here.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I understand.
That intent and entity is where you create the foundation of the conversations. The foundation of conversation means entity means the object. let's say you want to talk about car, right? Car will be your entity. Let's say your conversation topic is about car. Car is your entity. If you want to talk about sell car or buy car, then intent is sell or buy. So it will be two different intent. Right? Intent means intention. Entity means the object.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have to create this tool. You have to create the entity first, then you create the intent. Let's say I give you an example. I'll create show you. Car. Okay. Honda. Toyota. Okay. Then I create a new intent. Sell. Selling, it could be purchase. Selling. Okay. So selling. Sell. So something like that, right? So I link to the entity of car. Then when you come here, knowledge base, you can see sell. You see? On the sell car, then I create, give an example of selling car. Okay. Let's say I want to sell my car. My car is sold, something like that. Then the knowledge itself, you give a response, something like, your car is Toyota. It worth USD 20,000, let's say. Okay. Or maybe you can do this. Okay, please select your car model. Okay, maybe here I put like Honda. Then I can put Toyota, right? Okay. So then what do we do? I will just like publish it. Okay. So I publish it, then just let me clear the logs.
Hello. Ok. Em gọi cô Năm ra lấy thư giùm anh. Okay, continue please. Yeah.
Okay, let me try.
Cô Năm không gọi luôn, cô Năm rồi tôi lấy thư nữa.
Yeah, you see that? I want to sell my car. Please select your models. I can select Honda or Toyota. Right. I want to sell my Honda. Let's see. Okay. So because the thing is that I never put the questions in there. Right.
I see.
Let me show you entity. My network here is a bit slow. Let me log in again. Yeah, so Honda car, sell, so something like that. Yeah. So that you can straight away see that you can create the training so easily. Sell my car, see? My Honda. Yeah, so then it will also come out the suggestion, you see? So that I want to sell my Honda, they can straight away say I want to sell my car. They can like please select my models, because I never configured the next step. So once we like configure it, then it will be able to do it. So when I create a new knowledge, then it will be setting up as a template. Yeah. So you can come to the templates actually to modify. Yeah. And the template of a category like is like sell or car, something like that. So these are like this template. I mean, this platform looks very simple, but it is actually very powerful because it controls all the conversation. Yeah, you see that this the average conversation duration is about 4 minutes 53 seconds. The accuracy just now it was 100%, because the thing is that I key in these questions and it was not able to answer, then it drops down to 90%. Yeah, like 2 no matches. I see that. Yeah. Then you can see the top questions. I sell my car, like 2 cars. Yeah. So customer can base on these information to know what are the next thing actually to do. Whether they want to like do more marketing events on selling the cars or something like that. Yeah, because once you know the conversations, what are the topics that customer is talking about, then you can basically know what you want to do with your business. So if you use a normal customer service, right? I mean human, you won't be able to capture this kind of information. With the platform itself, you are able to know all the information that the customer is talking about, all the topics. Yeah.
Yes, I think that's very useful. Yeah, I think everybody need it. The company who have large employee, they have to answer a lot of questions. I think so they can ask on the system, and then they can find out the answer.
Yeah, correct. So you can basically like I'm not sure. Last time you told me that you have VIB Bank, right? Vietnam International Bank, right? You talked to them.
Yeah.
So what is the arrangement now?
Yeah, that's at the moment we arranged the meeting. However, they said that they are now don't want to meet face to face, so they will try to set up like the meeting online by any platform like the Zoom meeting like this. Yeah. And
we can arrange that. We can arrange that. So you check with them this week. If we can arrange it next week, then I can do a demo to them. Then maybe your sales or marketing staff can join.
I see. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I will try to arrange at least one meeting in this week, and then you can do the demo, and then our team can learn also. Yeah.
Correct. You try to arrange it this week, but we do it next week. Try to do it because this Friday I will be on leave. I will not be at the office. You try to do it like next week.
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
You try to do it next week, because the thing is that our bot can support Vietnamese, so that you ask one of your staff to contact me if they want to like learn how to do a training. Then I will teach them how to do it. Then because I don't understand Vietnamese, so that they understand Vietnamese, then I can help them do it. So that in the future, if they want to use it, then they can use it to present it to your customers. Yeah, I have a basic one. If they have more requirements, ask them to contact me.
Yes. After the meeting, I will send you the information of our people. Okay.
Yeah, you let me know. You let me know by end of this week. Then next week I can start working on it. You try to make it like next Tuesday to next Thursday, something like that. So I have one day actually to work on the customer requirement.
I see. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
I will share with you the video. I'll share with you the video so that you can share with your team.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks.